Alright, so I got this. It's called Growler Large. Works pretty well. Just to clean up the chain a little. This is a flat surface, somewhat flat surface. Works pretty good. Only, I believe, 50 bucks. And it's an Amazon special right there.